Someone asked me to show how we create our library videos using Canva. So I always start here and then I just click on videos and do a blank video project. And I always kind of have a theme for the month in mind, whether it's a color scheme or like a thematic phrase. Like this month's was Love Your Library. We've done Fall Into a Good Book. So you have your design and they have templates, okay, or you can do different styles. So like it's spring, so I may just do a search for spring and you find something that stands out to you. So I'm going to click that. So maybe that's going to be my opening slide. So you just change it. It didn't quite work. So you can just kind of play around with it, tweak it to fit whatever you want, and then you can adjust the length usually. If you want it to be longer, you can then add another page. You can keep looking for things that fit with your theme, or like if you were doing something with Easter, you can choose something. Hey, and you can just keep tweaking the content. Since mainly we're trying to promote books, then I just go to Destiny because that's where I pull it, and I can either save the image or I can copy the image and paste it in there. And you can play around with it. You can move it around. You can add animations. Sometimes I also, because I want a little bit more structure to my design, so I need to switch. Yeah. So I will go into the frames here, and sometimes they have these frame collages. So I may put this in there, and instead of um, just doing them randomly, I put them in an order like that. So you can just keep building things along the way. So you just keep searching for, it could be like if you're doing different videos, if your elements, like I can do, maybe let me do leprechaun. Oops. Oh, because I'm on frames. Okay, let me go back to videos. So if I wanted to do that, I can just drag the leprechaun video. So that can become, so you can build your own slides instead of having the prefab one and add your own text and stuff. And again, you can adjust. I mean, you can adjust it here, or you can go up here and adjust it. And you just keep building and adding things. Hey, I like to add music. We like to keep it something that is instrumental because we do have to listen to it all day. Let's see. My internet's been kind of glitchy today. Okay, so we go to audio. Okay, audio. Okay. So I'll just try that. So you can preview them. So if it sounds like something that you like, you just click on it, and you can see I forgot to make sure my um, toggle was at the very beginning, and that's all right. You can just drag it to where you want. And as you keep adding, it'll keep adding to the tract until it gets to the end. Okay, so those are the basics on how you build the video. You just have a lot of freedom to play around and design the way you want. Hey, when you're done, you click on the share and you're going to do the download, and you're going to make sure it's the MP4 video. I never change anything on the default. And then you click download, and it goes through the download. I'm not going to wait for it to download. I'm just going to go to the next step. So once it's downloaded and you're ready, you just go to your YouTube channel. hey, if we're a Google school, so we have a YouTube that's associated. If you've never used YouTube, all you have to do is to log in and it'll ask you to create a channel. And then you click create and upload video. And you can select the files from there, or if it's on your bar, you can just drag it up there. I'm not going to go through the process, but basically you click all the things that you want to do. I always mark it as unlisted, so only people with the link can find it. It's whatever you prefer. Hey, I also make sure that I've created a playlist. I have a library TV playlist. So when you go through the upload process, it asks you if you want to add it to a playlist. And if it's the end of the month and you're ready, you can just say, yeah, I want to add it to the playlist, or you can wait. And then each month, so you could do a different playlist for each month, or you can have one that's just library TV. And then you go in there and I delete the video that's currently on there, and then I add the new video. So then when you play, because we have a TV in our library, when I play, I just click play the playlist. And sometimes it's up here, sometimes it's below, but there's a loop option. So you just click loop playlist, and I put it in full screen mode, and then it just plays all day because it's looping this one video over and over again. All right, so those are the basics on how you can create a library video using Canva. Okay, the process from creating it in Canva to downloading it so you can upload it to YouTube and add it to a playlist that can be looped.